In this video, I will reveal one Shopify app that made me $2,000 with just $1. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. And also there's still a giveaway running and it's gonna end till the 8th of February. So if you wanna know how to win free coaching calls, one course, and $50 to 2 people to PayPal, check the description below. There's all the details that you need. And now let's get into the topic of this video, which is how I made $2,000 revenue with just $1 with one Shopify app. And that Shopify app is SMS Bump. This is so underrated app, guys. Like, I highly recommend everyone that's dropshipping to use this app. And I'll later on in this video, I'll show you the settings that I have. I'll give you the templates. And what I have is I have an exclusive link that's gonna give you free credit at SMS Bump that nobody else has. And you can try SMS Bump for free basically and get crazy returns. So right now we're in the SMS Bump Shopify app dashboard, and here are the results from the last 7 days. So I spent barely $1 and made $2,000 from this app. So the return, the ROI, the return on investment is just crazy. It's over 200,000%, which is unheard of. Like when you use abandoned cart email app, for example Klaviyo, it's not gonna have this crazy ROI. When you use Recart or Shop Message, it's not gonna be. It's for messenger abandoned cart messages, and it's not gonna perform as well. It's not gonna give you such crazy ROI. And those apps like Klaviyo, I pay $600 per month just for Klaviyo. For Shop Message, I think I spent 50 to $75 per month, maybe a little bit more. So those apps are very expensive. But what I really like about Shop Message, what I really love about SMS Bump is how accessible it is. It's good for beginners. It's very cheap for beginners, and it's also very good for intermediate people, and it's very good for people who are scaling. So I also want to show you guys the results from the last 30 days. So the last 30 days, it is almost $4,000. And I just spent barely $2 on this app. So I'm gonna show you guys how do I set up the app. So basically we go to automations, and here we set up the abandoned cart. And as you guys can see, the first message made all the money. The second one isn't performing well, and the third one I don't even bother. I don't even send that. So mainly I'm focusing on this one, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how I set up this message. Okay, so basically you put 5 minutes for it to send after 5 minutes after abandoning the cart, or it's not cart but abandoning the checkout. And then what else is here? So then there's a text. So you just go to this video's description and you copy paste the message, copy paste it here. It's gonna be without a stop, so you copy paste it and then you click on add stop. And this is a way how your customers can opt out. So if they don't enjoy your messages, you're giving them a way how they can unsubscribe. So this is very important because you don't wanna annoy your customers. So this setup, those 2 messages. The second message, I also include a discount code. Even though it has a discount, you guys can see it's not performing well. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. But the template is provided in the description. So that setup is going to take you 2 minutes, right? And then you also follow the best practices. So you just follow the guidelines here. Basically, it's going to probably take you 5 to 10 minutes to set up. So the whole app, let's say it's going to take you 15 minutes to set up, and you're good to go. And because I want to be really transparent with you guys, right? Because I'm giving you guys an affiliate link. So in this case, I just want to be really transparent. I'm not doing this to make money. I'm not here to promote the affiliate deal, because as you guys can see, I'm making a $1 per person basically. So I'm not doing this for making money, because $8 is just nothing, right? So I'm not doing this to make money. Why I'm doing this is to give you guys as much value as possible. I just want to really, I just want to help you guys as much as possible. And what I also have for you guys is an exclusive link. So if you download the app by yourself, you're gonna get 30 cents credit for free. But if you use my link, you're gonna get $3 as like a sign up bonus credit, right? So $3. And as you guys can see, $3 is gonna take you a long way, a long way. So as you guys can see, you know, I spent just $1.7, less than $2, and made $4,000 back, right? $4,000 back with this. So I hope you guys really appreciate the bonus, like the $3 credit, which you can use this app for free for a long time, for months basically. And also the templates, the copy paste templates. I hope you guys really appreciate the value that I'm giving you guys. Like if you enjoy the value I'm giving, please make sure to share my videos, share my YouTube channel with other friends who are into e-commerce. Make sure to comment down below, you know, and subscribe. It really helps me grow. That is a really good way how you can give back to me, you know, is by just engaging, sharing with your friends, and just showing to people, you know. Also a quick reminder, you know, if you have forgotten about the giveaway, so basically the giveaway is still running. The winner is going to be announced on the 8th of February, and 3 people are going to win coaching calls. 1 person is going to win a Ricky Hayes course, and 2 people are going to get $50 to their PayPal basically. So huge prizes. That's the biggest giveaway that I've run. I'm probably gonna take a break from giveaways, guys. It just have been like so many giveaways, so I just kind of want to chill. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. In the next videos, basically, I'm gonna cover product research, testing. What else I'm gonna cover? I'm gonna cover like a lot of topics and just more in depth, and give you step-by-step guides as well. I'm also preparing a video on like when I turn off an ad set, when I kill an ad set. So guys, stay tuned. If you enjoy my videos, make sure to subscribe and share my videos with friends. Like send them the link, you know, tell them that, you know, Ivizu, he basically documented his whole journey, you know, on YouTube just from day one. So, you know, just tell people, you know, your friends about this YouTube channel, and, you know, I'll see you in the next one.